what do you think of an unmarried mother becoming Miss World?
Well, good luck to her. Yeah.
You don't have any objections to an unmarried mum becoming Miss World?
None whatsoever, none whatsoever. She won it fair and square, and I think she's entitled to the crown.
To be quite honest with you, I never give it a thought. I thought she was just a lovely girl. I didn't think of her morals or what have you.
What about the possible effect on an unmarried mother's children, then?
Well, I don't know. I don't think that would make any effect, to be honest with you. I mean, the grandparents are looking after it. They'd probably be very proud. There's thousands of film stars today that are unmarried, and everybody pays to see them. So.
Whether she's had a baby or not is her business and nobody else's. You know, because I'm, like you say, I'm an unmarried mother, and if anybody said that to me, I'd go mad, really, because it's not the child's fault after all. And if she got the guts and the determination to go and do it, let her.
Well, why shouldn't she? I mean, I think the fact that she's had a baby and kept her figure and her looks like is a compliment to her. I don't think there's anything against it. Not in this day and age, anyway.
Oh, I think there's nothing wrong with that.
Why not?
Well, what's wrong with being unmarried nowadays? If you're a mother, that's it, you're a mother.
Well, what is there against an unmarried mother? I mean, sort of say 50 years ago, it would have been, oh, there should have been a hue and cry, or there would have been. But nowadays, not so, because this is, I don't think this is the case nowadays. Well, there's not many girls sort of over the age of 18 who are virgins. I shouldn't be able to say that, but there aren't. Not many girls go to the altar and marry, sort of still as they were when they were 14 sort of thing. So why shouldn't it be allowed?
Well, she's very lovely and all that, but it came as a bit of a shock,
Well, I don't see any difference. Poor kids, it's just unfortunate, isn't it? I mean, to say the looks are there, you know what it is with all these beauty competitors, they all want to win, don't they, really?
It depends on the circumstances. I mean, some of the unmarried mothers got to leave their children to go out to work to support the child. I think I admire her, and she deserved it.
Why not? I don't see any wrong in it myself.
Do you think it's right that an unmarried mother should be allowed to become Miss World?
Yes, all right. If he's unmarried, come this world, well, this is nature, see?